Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will discuss definition and nature of dower under Muslim law. Let's see at first what is said by some scholar about it. Tayyabji states that Mahr or dower is a sum of money and it is payable by husband to wife on marriage either by agreement between the parties or by operation of law. Okay, and in Abdul Qadir versus Salima, in this case, it was observed that dower is a sum of money or other property promised by the husband to be paid or delivered to wife in consideration of marriage. Okay, hence we can say that dower means a sum of money or other property or any other thing which is paid by husband to wife in consideration of marriage. Okay, under Muslim law dower is very important and essential element because Quran says in chapter 4 verse 4 that gives women their dowers freely. Hidayah says that dower is the token of love of its objects. That's mean here objects mean woman. That's mean dower is paid by the husband to wife as a token of love. Okay. Now the question is dower analogy to sale price and marriage is treated as sale of the person? The question is no, because Sir Sulaiman observed in Anis Begum versus Mohammad Istafa that marriage cannot be treated as the sale of person because if we sell something then sale price is not paid, the goods may be returned. But in case of dower, in case of marriage, if dower is not paid, no one return his wife. Okay, hence here marriage cannot be compared with sale of person, and the dower cannot be compared with the sale price. Okay, from the above definition, from the discussion we can find out some nature of dower, that dower is a sum of money or other property. It is paid by the husband to wife. It is paid by husband to wife as a token of love. It differs from sale price. Dower is the right of a woman, a wife, not her parents or brother or any other person. Okay, another point may be added in the question of comparison of dower with sale price. That is, we know that when something is sold, the sale price is paid to the owner of that goods. But in case of marriage, the dower is not paid to the owner. That's when it is not given to parents of the girls, it is paid to the girls. If it would paid to the parents, it may be treated as sale price, but it's not paid to the parents or owner. It's paid to wife. So it is it cannot be compared with the sale price. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.